Welcome to the Manitowoc Ice App, your smart solution for easy setup and maintenance. In this video, you'll see how the app helps you set up your ice machine step by step, making initial setup faster, simpler, and easier to manage right from your phone. Connecting your machine through the app gives you instant access to monitoring, settings, and alerts, so you're in control from the very beginning. Start by connecting your ice machine to the app for real-time monitoring and control. The app quickly locates your machine via Bluetooth, saving you time. Secure your connection via a simple PIN for personalized settings. Once connected, you can adjust production schedules, set reminders, and more. The Startup Wizard walks you through setup step by step, helping ensure your machine is configured correctly for your operation from day one. Next, launch the Startup Wizard for a guided setup. Choose your preferred language, set date and time, and confirm accessories. Customize units of measurement, screen brightness, and production schedule. Stay on top of maintenance with cleaning and filter replacement reminders. Optimize water usage for efficiency. Add an extra layer of security with your Bluetooth PIN. Export any existing configurations and give your machine a name for easy management. You can also register your warranty directly in the app. The serial number is automatically copied for you, making registration quick, easy, and hassle-free. And that's it. Your machine is ready to perform at its best.